Welcome back to the channel, and today I wanted to show you what you could expect out of LATAM's business class amenity kit. This was a business class amenity kit I received on a flight from February the 25th. So here, as you can see, the contents here. So you've got a bamboo toothbrush, you've got toothpaste, you've got lip balm, you've got socks, an eye mask, along with some hand cream as well. So this is a big improvement looks wise than the old amenity kit that they had, that kind of black and white striped one. This one's a lot more colorful. You've got some earplugs there as well. So I just thought you might want to know what to expect in case you're flying LATAM's business class anytime soon in their amenity kit. As always, I appreciate you watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share this with a friend. Thank you.
Yo la vi pasar, me enamoró su mirar, ese día conmigo.